Leonardo.ai and Stable Diffusion are both amazing AI creative suits. Today we're going to put them head to head and figure out which one is better. Okay, so Leonardo AI was probably one of the very first image generation software that I ever used. And when I started using it, it was amazing. Let's get into some of their details. So it has a state-of-the-art AI that transforms text prompts into high-quality images, videos, and 3D assets. You can maintain perfect style consistency across all generated assets, and it enables rapid creation, iterations, and ideations with minimal friction. It supports simultaneous use of multiple control net options for more precise creative control. You can also see over here that it maintains cohesive visual identity across all assets with powerful style consistency tools that ensure your brand's unique aesthetics remain intact. It also generates complete visual packages for social campaigns, advertisements, and websites with text-guided AI that understands marketing objectives. You can also see that you can create detailed textures and environments for games, metaverse applications, and immersive digital experiences with specialized 3D tools. Having a look at their style reference, you can apply custom looks with seamless style transfer technology. You can combine multiple custom elements for complex compositions, and you can fine-tune creative parameters with flexible workflow controls. Additional to that, you have some tools which include advanced upscaling, animation capabilities, and AI-powered asset training for truly customized results. Let's look at Stable Diffusion now. Stable Diffusion has been around for a heck of a long time, right? And it is the power of latent diffusion. It gives you open source innovation. So it's developed by Stability AI, which is LMU Munich, and CompVis in 2022. It's a latent diffusion model that has been built for the community by the community, which is fantastic. It operates in compressed latent space, dramatically cutting memory and compute needs. It's capable of running on consumer GPUs with modest specs. It also generates high-resolution images, animations, and video from prompts. It supports in-painting, out-painting, and image-to-image translation as well. It also gives you open weights power, which is a vast ecosystem control net, Alora's automatic 1111 and comfy UI, offering unparalleled extensibility as well as customization. Let's have a look how you can transform your workflow today. Well, first of all, you get fine-tuning, custom checkpoints, and advanced prompting that lets you as the user achieve specific artistic styles and pixel-precise outputs at your own will. It's great for designers and developers because they can instantly generate UI mockups, marketing assets, and you can also explore creative directions, compressing days of work into just minutes. Then your local installation. It eliminates per image fees and ensures full privacy, making advanced AI generation accessible far beyond the enterprise budget. Also, it powers autonomous agents that generate visual content on demand, enabling fully automated, scalable visual workflows for modern businesses. There we go, folks. If you're looking for an AI creative suit, then one of these options will be great for you. My personal advice is always to go out and test them and see which one really works. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.